Hey guys, this is Eric over at Hanson Motors, and today we're going to do a walk around on the 2020 Kia Sportage S. So the S model is going to have blacked out grille. It's going to have some 18-inch wheels, kind of a dark gray sporty look. Really, it adds some nice cosmetic touches to the outside, and those wheels are kind of nice. They help with road noise, and they're a little bit more durable than the steel ones. So the Sportage S adds some really nice comfort and convenience features. So going up from the LX, you get leatherette, especially if you have kids. That's really nice. Very easy to clean. It also gives you heated front seats, which are always a bonus. Of course, the 2020 Sportage added a lot of really nice interior features, like this bigger screen that's a lot easier to see. Your backup camera there is huge, and if you turn your wheel, that will actually move with you, show you exactly where you're going to go. The S model is also going to have blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert. So this is also the all-wheel drive model. This is available in front and all-wheel drive, and the nice thing about the all-wheel drive, it actually will give you a locking differential. It's also going to give you some hill descent control, which is nice. And then your drive mode, you've got Eco, you've got Sport. It's going to make it a little bit more aggressive, and then just a normal mode. I really like Kia's design for their screens. They keep things pretty simple. The UI is not, in your face. You can drive around with this at night. It also is going to have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on it. So you can actually plug your phone in to this little USB port down here, and this will just turn into your phone. So if you use Waze, Google Maps, if you've got a Spotify or an Apple Music, all of that will show up right here. You'll be able to go through your playlists. You'll be able to put in your destination. It's the best thing that ever happened to new cars, and it happens to be standard on the Sportages. So in your instrument cluster here, and I've got it in accessory mode right now, so my lights are on, but you've got an information screen in there that's going to show you which safety features are active. It also is going to let you tinker with all the little things that drive you nuts about your car, like how long your dome lights stay on, what sounds your car makes when certain things happen. So you can get in here and really personalize your vehicle. You can set it exactly how you want it. And in the S model, you actually get paddle shifters here. So yeah, fantastic car. Love the 2020 Sportage. I'm really excited for a lot of the things that have been happening with it. Hey guys, this is Eric here once again at Hanson Motors with our 2020 Sportage S. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to stop by and see one for yourself, just let us know. We'd be happy to set it up anytime.